Hi everybody, Jack here from KolAi, and I have a few new features to show you today. We've been hard at work in the last few months to make some big improvements. One thing that a lot of you have asked for is multi-layer output. So having the base layer, the whiskers on their own layer, and the abrasion on its own layer, giving you a more modular design to work from. So here's our target image, and this one has a nice bit of complexity, some great grain to the denim itself, and quite a few chevrons and whiskers, and a very delicate pattern overall. So here's our current network output. It's pretty good. There may be some things you'd like to edit to get further though. So what we've done, we've created a network that creates an abrasion layer. So this provides you a simple way to just get better abrasion. I'll be providing an automation provides a blurred layer of it too, which is more similar to the way you're used to working. Put them together and you get a nice balance of details, and the general contour I think matches quite nicely on that knee and leg area. The other thing we're quite happy about is this whisker network. So this is specifically trained to only catch the whiskers, and as you can see, whiskers and chevrons come through quite accurately actually. The base network and the whisker network are very complementary. So I found when you start to merge the existing network with the new ones, it's good to bring the opacity down a bit. Then when you add in the abrasions, now you have a somewhat smoother design that still gets a lot of the whisker highlights very nicely. We can modify things as you'd like. If you'd like more or less abrasion, simply do that with the opacity. And then of course we have our texture automation, which just provides a nice bit of this like slub and grain to it. And I've already gone through and just removed the outside from that. So the net result is, this all will take the same amount of time to get you to this step. As normal, all you have to do is select one leg of the gene, and the system will then output a design that looks more like this. So you have a bunch of layers to play from. If you'd like to remove whiskers, for example, it's much easier to do that now. All you have to do is say we want to take that one out, and there we go. And of course we can do it on this side using the healing brush tool. And there, we've removed that chevron in about 2 seconds. So I'll just go back and forth. You can see the accuracy and the general improvements in this design. Back and forth, we're catching pretty much all of the details and minimal extraneous work. Even stuff like where there's abrasion on this pocket here, it caught that as a differential point. We'll be releasing an update to the platform in a beta version in the next week or two, and we hope to have the final version up and running by the end of the month. So keep an eye out. We're really excited about all these changes, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.